Good morning, students. Now we are starting with our question number 6. So our question number 6 is complete the congruence statement. So we have to complete this congruence statement, that which type of congruency is there in the figure. So in the first figure there are two triangles that is given. That first triangle is your BTA. This is your first triangle, that is triangle BTA, and this is your second triangle, which is equals to, that is triangle, this is your triangle BCA. So what are the similarities of these two triangles? First, this is given the value of AT is equals to the value of AC. Second, these two are equal, and second thing is given the hypotenuse of both the triangles are equal, that is the value of BT is equals to the value of BC. And third, this AB curve is common to both the triangles. So this BA is equals to BA, that is common. So these two are given. So it means these three sides are equal. So the triangle, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle BTA is congruent to triangle BCA by SSS criteria. So second is your second figure also contains two triangle. So these two triangles contain triangle, this is your first triangle, triangle TPQ, and this is your second triangle. Second triangle is your triangle QRS. So what are the similarities in these triangles? So first thing, that the value of the PT is equals to the value of this QR. These two are equal. Second similarity is the value of this QT is equals to the value of this QS. Third similarity is the third side is also equal, that is the value of this PQ is equals to the value of this RS. So there are three lines in this. So PQ is equals to RS. So that are given. So again we will obtain three sides are equal. So triangle TPQ is congruent to triangle QRS by SSS criteria. So next question is question number 7. In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal area such that the triangles are congruent. So we have to draw two triangles on the square sheet. So suppose this is your square sheet. You have to draw two triangles. Suppose first triangle is your triangle ABC, and second triangle is your triangle PQR. So here two triangles are having equal area. So these two triangles, suppose they have equal area, this area of two triangles are equal. So by which criteria they are congruent? So if they have equal area, it means their sides are also equal. The value of AB is equals to PQ, the value of BC is equals to QR, and the value of this AC is equals to PR. It means both the triangle, that is triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS criteria. So this is your first part. Second part is the triangles are not congruent. So suppose this is your square sheet. Suppose they have equal area. First triangle is like that. Second triangle is your like this. This is your A, B, C, P, Q, R. So now these two triangles are having equal area, but the sides are not equal. Here the value of this AB is not equals to the value of this PQ, the value of this BC is not equals to value of QR, and value of this AC is not equals to value of PR. So it means both the triangles are not congruent having equal areas. So this is a possibility. So next is your, what can you say about the perimeter? If two triangles are congruent, then their perimeter must also be equal. So we can say that perimeter of triangles are equal if they are congruent. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of triangle. It means in these two triangles, AB plus BC plus AC is equals to the value of PQ plus QR plus PR. So this means the perimeter of both the triangles are equal. So next question is, draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 parts of congruent, but still triangles are not congruent. So 5 parts are equal, but still it is not a congruent triangle. So suppose these are the two triangles. This is your PQR. Here the parts are equal, that is your this side is equals to this side. These are angle 30 degree. This is your angle 30 degree. Next is your 60 degree. So this is your 60 degree. Fourth part is your 90 degree angle. Fifth part is this side. But these, the value of this PR is not equals to the value of this AP. So we know that the two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. If they have same shape and size, but here the value of this PR is not equals to AB. It means it does not have same shape and size. It means the area of both the triangles are unequal. So all angles are equal, two sides are equal except one side, but PQR is not congruent to triangle ABC, and their area may or may not equal. But here one side is not equal. It means PR is not equals to AB. One side is not equal. It means the two triangles are not congruent. If one angle is not equal, then two triangles are not congruent. So next is your, in triangle ABC and PQR are the congruent, name one additional parts of corresponding part. What is the criteria does you use? So first of all, here one angle is 90 degree. Next, this angle is angle C is equals to angle R, that is given, and here you require one additional part. Name one additional part so that two triangles become congruent. So here two angles are equal. If this side is equal, then it will become angle side angle. If this side is equals, then it will become angle side angle. It means if BC is equals to RQ, these sides are given, then two triangles are said to be congruent. So here the condition is BC is equals to QR. So additional part is BC equals to QR. So two triangles are congruent by ASA congruency, that is angle side angle. One side is equal and two angles are equal. So explain why ABC is congruent to FED. Here this angle is 90 degree. Two angles are equal, and the value of BC is equals to ED. The value of this BC is equals to ED. The value of this is equal, that is given in your note book, but not mentioned here. This is also equal, that is BC is equals to ED, which is mentioned in your book. So here what are the parts that are equal? So here angle B is equals to angle E. Second part equal is angle C is equals to angle F. Third part equal is equals to BC is equals to ED. So here we know that two triangles are that is your this B is equals to E is equals to 90 degree. So here two angles are equal and one side is equal. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED by angle side angle congruency. So this is not true. RHS is not true. Right hand side right angle hypotenuse, but here the hypotenuse is not equal. So the congruency criteria is ASA congruency criteria, which is your required answer. So our today class is finished, and our chapter number 7 is also finished. Okay students, thank you.